Lawn. Friends. See? Really? Whoa. We've set everything up exactly as it ought to be. We've got the birds. We've got the birds here. We've got me here. Everything's exactly as it should be. Thank you, Lyle, for the resubscription. Every resubscription goes straight into these birds' seed holes. These birds, they live off of your subscriptions. Subscriptions. Now you may be asking yourself, where even are the birds? And that's a great question. And let me answer that for you with another question. Are you blind? What's the opposite of a bird's eye view? This is a worm's eye view of birds. Watch, I'll move down in space right now. Okay, I'm moving down the cage. I'm moving down the bird cage. I'm moving down the bird cage. Yes, there is a chance that the birds will poop on the camera. This is Peely right here. This is where Peely is living currently, happily. Seems to just be resting on her perch. And then Dodo, the ice queen I like to call her, I'm fairly certain is right here. And do we love Dodo? Of course we love Dodo. Do we love Dodo the same amount as Peely? Yes, we do. We love everyone equally. We love Peely. And Dodo. I had a busy day today, I'll be honest. I installed a mailbox today. See how inflamed this hand is compared to this hand? Apparently I'm fairly allergic to ants. Man, did they come for me or what? Those ants wanted a piece of me because I was digging up their ant colony. Isochronic binaural beats. Is that how you say that? Binaural? Binaural? Do you ever feel like you're in a mold state? Like your stick is multiplying at an increasingly alarming rate?
Hook me up with some ham, brother.
Do you ever feel like your stick is just multiplying and flapping around inside of its cage? This is that times 12. We've got every stick in town just begging us. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. You know you want me. Look at my knots and gnarls. Look at my supple curves. Please. I'm not interested in sticks. I'm interested in humans. Please, leave me alone. I'm gonna send you and your whole family to the brig. You're going to the poop deck. I don't want to go to the brig. You're going to the brig. You're gonna go to the brig so fast you won't even be able to spell the brig. When we last left off, I was getting an error when break time was hitting. So let's go back to... Uh-oh, bird's mad. I think that they can hear me talking, and that's what upsets them. Beep bop boo. Beep beep boo whoop.
Picco Pictures Contest. Which is best?
I got bit by an ant, and it hurts. My hand is in so much pain right now. It's like super inflamed.
I like that.
Doodle doodle doo. Doodle doo. This still isn't working. I have to I need to fix stuff to refix the fixings that I fixed. I need to fix the fixes that I fixed. Oh my god, my hand is in so much pain right now. I swear to God. If I have to get my hand cut off.
Winner, break, generators, least voter, best chatter, worst chatter. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Okay. Dodo attack. I have a bird on my head now. In case anyone was wondering what bird on head looks like. Real human being and a real bird. Human bird. The bird's upset. You can tell because his cocktail is all the way erect. Do you see? The erect cocktail?
Finish.
Doodle doo doodle doodle
Calculating.
Doodle 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 doodle.
Versus.
The bird hates when I sing. Only birds are allowed to sing. This is officially the birds stream. Lauren was looking into getting these birds diapers.
Winner.
The final round music is such a bop too.
Round 2.2.
This is the last week in your current apartment? Man, that's exciting, dude. I hope it brings you joy. You're gonna leave that apartment and all your stuff is gonna be in the new place and you're gonna say, oh, I don't miss this old place. The stuff is the more important thing, you know? The stuff is what makes your house a home, you know? It's the things that you put inside it and care about within it. The walls are just walls, you know?
Versus.
Something, yeah, seriously broke.
Finish.
We're not getting any votes anymore. I'm turning into Wisconsin Thai. My brain is too tired now. I'm just I'm devolving.